Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. I'm so excited to bring you this video. I am going to be reviewing for you and talking about my One Click Smile Kit. This is an Australian owned company, so you can rest assured you are buying local. Supporting local companies is always a great thing, and this is such a quality product. In the kit you get 3 teeth whitening pens, you get an instruction booklet and a shade guide so you can keep track of how your teeth are going. It has 15 different shades. So basically when I first got this kit, my teeth, because I'm such a heavy coffee drinker, I love my coffee, my teeth were probably around here, probably here. Really, I didn't even know they were that bad, honestly, until I saw this chart and I was like, holy moly, like really? That is terrible and that's so embarrassing. But now I am sort of up around here, which is nearly at the number 1, which is super white, and I'm so, I can hardly believe it. Like, it's amazing. It's really cool to keep track of this chart to just make sure that you're keeping on track and keeping nice and white. That's something really cool that came in this kit. It's like one of my favorite things ever. I love it. And then your whitening accelerator. So I'll just give you a before and after look of how my teeth have been going. So when I first began using this kit, I noticed a change in the shade of my teeth within 2 to 3 days. That's how fast this product works. And after 6 days, like to a week, there was a significant difference to the point where I had people noticing and commenting on how different my teeth were looking and how much whiter and brighter my smile was, which was so nice. Since then, that has just been making me want to use this even more. It's really boosted my confidence and made me so much happier and feel like I just all around look better, because your smile is such an important part of your face. People are drawn to, you know, your eyes and your smile, and you look at your people's mouths when they talk and everyone notices your teeth. So I am so happy with this product. I've been wanting whiter teeth for the longest time. I've used that many toothpastes and different things, but this has been the number 1 thing that has really made the biggest amount of difference for me. So I'll just plug it in and give you a little demo and show you how it works. All you need to do to use this kit is give your teeth a brush and a rinse out as you normally would. And what's really great about this product is you can actually multitask. So I can put this on in the morning before work, have it in my mouth, keep applying my makeup, do my hair. It's really great that I am whitening my teeth as I'm getting ready for work in the morning, which is so cool, so convenient. And I love that I can multitask. As I am a busy mom of 3, multitasking is just a way of life. So to be able to have time to actually whiten my teeth as I'm going about my day is super good too. So basically give your teeth a wash and a rinse out, and then you get one of your whitening pens, take off the lid, they just click the gel up to the wand here, and then you just start applying that to your teeth. And then apply your LED light activator. So my 10 minutes is up, I'm all done. Basically, you take the LED activator light out, give your mouth a rinse, and then you're good to go about your day. And if you are someone that does have sensitive teeth, like I have some sensitive teeth at the bottom, this product has not caused any sensitivity to my teeth at all. Honestly, when you use it and even afterwards, like sometimes you can get sensitive teeth after using whitening products, I haven't noticed any sensitivity on my teeth at all. So if you are after a DIY teeth whitening at home kit, then I highly recommend this one from One Click Smile. They do offer free shipping over $50 on their website, and they also offer Afterpay, which is so convenient. They also have a couple of other products available, which I will link below for you in case you're interested to check them out, and I'll also have the website here on the screen. So like I said at the beginning, this is such a high quality Australian product. I highly recommend it. Super gentle on your teeth, won't cause any sensitivity, at least it didn't for me. I found it so easy to use and it works. Like, I really have seen such dramatic results with this. My teeth look so good. So thank you so much for watching this review. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll have all the information linked below if you are interested in a One Click Smile DIY whitening home kit. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.